Hey, it's Dave from Vacation Tracker here, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a time off in a year policy, also known as overtime or compensatory time off. Now, this is a policy you can put in place in which employees who work overtime earn extra time off in a year of extra pay, hence the name. It's also important to note that this is a feature currently limited to complete plan users only. So do be sure to verify which plan you're on before following along. Once you've logged in to your Vacation Tracker account, there are two ways to access and modify your leave policies. The first one is to go into the leave setup section in the menu and click on leave policies, and you will see all the different leave policies for all locations. The other option is to go to locations, click on the specific location in which you would like to modify, and then go to the leave policies tab. Either way, you'll just need to click on the edit button next to the particular leave policy you would like to make a change to. From here, you're going to scroll down and head towards the bottom where you'll see the time off in a year section. By default, this is checked off, but if you would like to turn it on, you just need to flick it on. And then you have some few extra settings that you can make changes to. The first one is the shortest duration that an employee can request. So it can either be 15 minutes all the way up to a full day. Next, you can choose who can make such a request. If you have a lot of users and you'd rather keep it in control of the approvers and admins, you can do that, but you can also leave it up to the user as well. And then the last option you have to choose is whether or not the days should expire and at what point do they expire. Once you're happy with all the settings, all you need to do is click on update, and now the leave policy you've modified has been updated to allow time off in a year. With this policy now enabled, users who have been compensated with extra time off can see it reflected in their leave balances on their profile page. You can also choose to create a separate leave type and have it allocated just solely for time off in a year. Ultimately, that'll be a choice up to you and how you want to keep things organized. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about time off in a year, you can read all about it in our help desk. And if you require any additional help getting this set up within your own account, feel free to reach out to our support team via chat or email.